Hello and very warm welcome to this video. I'm Ali Jafari and we're gonna talk about how we can use AI tools to start a business from scratch. Actually, we're gonna talk about creating a business using 100% AI or something like that, 100% using AI and I don't know, doesn't matter. Uh, this tutorial is for lazy people, and this tutorial is split to 4 steps that I'm gonna tell you step by step how you can start a business. Then let's get started. Okay, we need to find ChatGPT. I search it, I go to the ChatGPT, try to use ChatGPT, and I will do login. I prefer to continue with my email or something like that. And okay, I did login and want to search a business idea for do the business from scratch, and that's why I will to type something like that. Chat GPT, chat GPT, give me 5 ideas about starting a business. I like to start a business in this video based on software, maybe a business for software company. This is just an example, and you can use everything that you want. For example, you can use something like that. Give me 5 ideas about everything that you like. Okay, as you see, we're gonna take some ideas from ChatGPT to start a business from scratch. Here is business ideas you should launch. For example, I really like to start a business based on web scraping and like that. And as you know, as you see, there is some another ideas like mobile development, software as a service, and cybersecurity solutions, and anything else. That was the first step. Okay, let's look at the second step. I go back to my Google, my dear Google, and ask Midjourney. Midjourney is an independent research lab that produce an artificial intelligence program under the something blah 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 blah. But the Midjourney is actually uh, an AI assistant, and it's not matter that what really is and what exactly do. We just use it for make some visuals, some picture by Midjourney. Okay, let's get started. In this page, I'm going to sign in, and if you didn't have an account in Midjourney, you have to do sign up, and actually it's another way because for the first step you have to have a account, and the second step you can log in. Okay. Uh, okay, guys, I'm in Discord, and I used to use ChatGPT by Discord. There are some servers that set up on Discord, and you can use Midjourney on Discord and enjoy it. This is the icon of Midjourney, and for imagine that what we want, we have to write the imagine command to tell Midjourney that imagine please something like, for example, our business idea, mobile application development, and something like that. I copy it. I use my Discord, and in Midjourney use some server. I forget to tell you that there is some room, and you must to choose. It's not different, but some rooms are busier than another, and you must to choose which one would you like to have. Here I use the new 104, and you can change, and you can select which one would you like to use. It's not matter, and it's not stable. For example, maybe later you can see the 104 or something like this, but there is always there is rooms that you can use, and I use that one. Okay, I write imagine and paste. What did I copy it? Here you can see that we wrote our business idea, and we're waiting to response from Midjourney, actually Midjourney bot that is connected to Midjourney. It's really cool that you can see here a lot of picture that made by Midjourney. Okay, as you know and as you see, here is all results. Then you can open it in browser. Okay, and save that image. For example, I save it with the name mobile development 1, for example, with PNG format, and save. Okay, and after that we can also use Midjourney to create an icon and something like that, and everything that you need. You can use it for imagine something that you like to imagine. For example, our friends search something like that: animal hunter with the sniper gun holding on shoulder. As you see, Midjourney imagined. Okay, after login, you have to choose the category of your website that it's relate to your something that you want to do. For example, we use business website or creative personal or industrial trade, or yeah, choose what you want to do. For our purpose, I think that web design and hosting services okay. Then save and continue. Business name, for example, web makers, lazy web makers, I think is the great name. Another step is that choosing an email, address, city, country, and phone. And after that, I think that it's good that I do it. After filling the fields of it, we choose save and continue, and the website goal. What is the website goal? Click to call or book to reserve or message to my business or call my business. How a visitor can actually have communicate with you. That is a good question, and I click to call to message my business. Then website features. Select the features you would like to add to your website. It's an online store, booking reservation, or custom blog. What do you want is exactly that you need. Choose a theme. I think modern. It's good choose. The theme of your website and your website structure is important to getting customers. And this is an example, but you should to be careful when you want to choose every selection of this web web creator. Then I add it, this one and this one and this one. Okay. Now you can see that IDA make it for you, and you don't need to do anything. Okay, guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. This is our website that we made together. If you wanted to do something more, you can do here. And there is your panel here that you can customize your website and do something that you would like to do. And this website is my suggestion to get video to upload your website and do your business. Good luck, and if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and like this, and if you would like, you can give me some another ideas in comments, and have a good time.